welcome to my channel, besties. You see how I'm wearing today? We'll be doing my wardrobes today, so yeah, we are wearing like this. Don't I look 16? Don't I look young and all? Yeah, so today we'll be doing my wardrobe, hence I'm wearing like this. So we'll take you along there and there, not the whole thing. So he has already started cutting, so now he's putting everything. So guys, here's my other room. Here's how it looks like. So there, from the corner there, that's where we're gonna put the wardrobe. So the room is not completely empty. It has an old wardrobe there at the corner and some boxes down there. So he already cut everything up. So now he's about to join all the pieces together. I can't wait to see this come to life. I can't wait to see the finished product. What is down here? Oh my word. I'm now thinking, no, this is not gonna work out. This is gonna be short. This is gonna be, oh my word. What is this now? And I'm sitting right here watching everything that happens. I think I have a phobia, guys. I think I have a phobia when there's someone who's working. I literally stand there while they work. I stand there. When there's something that I don't understand or something that I don't see properly, I'll keep on reminding him that no, but then here it's not how I want it to be like. Here it's not how. Oh Lord, please. So here he was starting to iron in the strips to cover the board there, not to show the actual thing. Oh, this was nice to see. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. You see here, I was so amazed because at the beginning I thought, no, but then it's not gonna fit here. No, it's not the right measurement. Maybe he didn't do the right measurements. But on this one, I kept quiet until he finished. I didn't disturb the guy. There was nothing I was saying, hey, here, I don't like it here, fix up this, fix up that. No. I was quiet and watching him do his thing. So he did all that. Let's see how it all adds up. Let's see how all the pieces come together and see what the actual end product becomes. Continue watching and enjoy the video, besties. where we're going. We can already see where we're going. I'm so happy with this. I don't want to lie, but look how messy the floor is. How messy it is. This is this is nice. This is so nice. So now we're done with the wardrobe. Tomorrow I'll be packing it. Ciao. Zing. So come pack my wardrobe with me, besties. Not all of it, part of it, not all of it, cause whoo, it's a lot. I had to clean the wardrobe, I had to clean that room and everything else and pack from scratch, Lord. So Miguel has a closet now. It's in closet. We'll get there, but kinale wardrobe, no, kinale wardrobe. Zang. Let's get to it and pack part of it with me, guys, and we'll see. If we get tired, we're gonna take a break and pack the other side some other day, some other time. We'll see. We'll just see, guys. The excitement in me, oh my goodness me. It's the little things, you know that song. Na 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 na. Okay, let's pack. At this point, I was so hungry, and the only thing I could get is a smoothie. Let's go home, guys. Bye. Hi guys, I have an unboxing unboxing to do with you. So there's these cushions from Mr. Price Home. They are, I can say they are Carol Boys dupes. You know Mr. Price got us, right? Yo, Mr. Price has us. Mr. Price got us, guys. Yo, Mr. Price Home, you're doing the things that needs to be, you know. Hey, and affordability. Like when you're thinking of pricier cushion from Carol Boys. Oh, Jesus. Lordy, have mercy. Okay, so guys, I went to Mr. Price Home yesterday. I went there and I purchased 2 cushions, you know. So they put them in a plastic like this. Yes, I bought 2 of them. So the plastic was too heavy for me to carry. So I've already taken one out. So this is how the cushion looks like. Yep. And one was $4.79. Yes, $4.80. So I bought this because I have a bedding that has a trim of black all around. So I'm gonna use this when I'm using the bedding that has a trim of black, so that it can be black and white theme going on. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited about these. I've been seeing them from the TikTok girlies and on Instagram as well. I've been seeing them, so I was like, yo, where and when and how am I gonna get these cushions? Luckily, Mr. Price did the things that needed to be done. Boo, 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 boo. Yep, I got 2 of these, guys. Zang, gung, 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 gung. You know, home stuff is gonna kill me. Home stuff and all, it's my downfall. So whenever I have money, anything that comes to my mind first is home. Home improvement, home update, home organization, home, everything home has me in it. Everything homeware, everything homely. I'm a homebody, so I'm bound to, you know. Yeah, besties, that's the end of our vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. We'll see each other on the next one. Bye. Zoom, zoom, zoom.